P&M is very proud to be a founding member and longtime supporter of Albuquerque economic development. Well, we support the hard work that AED does to help create jobs in the Albuquerque area and to help the Albuquerque business area become even stronger.
Our headquarters for our strategic business unit is here in Albuquerque. So that's what you're seeing here. And we have an R&D facility. We have an R&D facility and a manufacturing facility here. Talk a little bit more about the plant here in Albuquerque, right? The plant was started in 1975. It was a spin-off that Motorola bought from the Sandia Labs. It was making ceramics. And so the heritage was from 1975 to 1999 is part of Motorola. In 1999, CTS bought this company, and I was part of that acquisition. I was a Motorola and then switched over to CTS, okay? So when you take a look at it, we have about 150 people there, mainly R&D. About half the people there are R&D. We have a healthy economic from an economic standpoint, healthy impact to the Albuquerque area, okay? And we're a high-tech company. So when you take a look at it, in order to compete in the world market, you have to innovate to stay competitive. And one of the things that we're very proud of is that here in Albuquerque, based out of Albuquerque, there's 76 issued patents that have come out of the labs here from Albuquerque. And we have another 14 in process right now. So in order for manufacturing here to be competitive in the United States, you've got to innovate. And our R&D facility is the one that does that. The way we operate is we do the R&D here, we do some manufacturing here, but then all these other plants, we feed the other plants around the world to produce global products.
40,000-foot view of Ultramain Systems. We're a software development company. We're based here in Albuquerque. We're in Journal Center, kind of quietly snuggled away in the Bohannon Houston building. We're roughly 80 employees. While we're based here, we have full-time staff based in the UK and also in Hong Kong. About 80% of our business is export business outside the United States. We've installed our software over the years in 24 different industries, and our primary industry today is the airline industry. 100% of our business is exported outside the state of New Mexico. We were honored to be the SBA Small Business Exporter of the Year for New Mexico in 2007. So, you know, I guess you've got a guy standing up here talking to you about business in New Mexico that has no business in New Mexico. Even so, we hire a lot of young kids locally. We get a lot of our developers out of UNM. We also have staff that we've hired out in Mexico Tech. We just did a job fair down in Mexico Tech. We bring a lot of young kids in as interns. We also hire technical writers. Okay, so how many companies do you know that hire English majors in the commercial sector? Not too many, we do. We bring in people from outside New Mexico, from outside all over the country. We've hired people from 18 different countries and brought them in here. So we keep our visa attorney well paid. We're currently hiring. We've got 12 unfilled positions right now. So if any of you like to come code software for me, just go to the website and you know, log on. Albuquerque is a very, very beautiful place. We all know that, but I'm here to tell you, from a company that brings people into Albuquerque to work here at our corporate headquarters where we develop our software, it really helps to be in Albuquerque. The mountains, the river, the weather, everything that we know and love about Albuquerque is working for me when I bring the families in. Organizations such as this, such as AED, that promote economic development in the Albuquerque area are excellent for us. The better job that AED does in other business promotion organizations, the easier it is for me to bring people into the Albuquerque area.
Finally, I just want to say I appreciate all that AED does. We're grateful for the opportunity to partner with them when they have call center employers that they're looking at recruiting. We often have an opportunity to have them come and tour our facilities and talk about how great the employees are here in the state of New Mexico. But thank you, AED, for all the work that you're doing. As you bring more employers to New Mexico, that's good for all of us.